down.
I have some bad news about this guy. His arm came off. But I also have good news. Get out of the camera, baby. But his arm broke off. And I put some Sharpie there for some blood. And the good news is that you can put that back on. So that's good news. But it's still loose, so when you run him, the arm comes off, which is bad. So, yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys that. Oh, I also made a poster over there, and that's going to be in my next video. Jurassic Park Demon Carno, and I just got some pictures off, so yeah. And then another good and some more good news is that I also got another one. So, phew, gosh, I got another one. This one, arm isn't broken, and they aren't broken, so I just wanted to tell you guys that. And bye.